Now, many people are considering to build their first home lab or home server. Whether it's for storage, a media server, a game server, web hosting, virtualization, or smart home automation, it is a lot of fun to build it, and it can simplify life. But again, for those non-IT professionals, this is a rabbit hole. You have to figure out details like hardware choices, network setup, virtualization setup, data security, and more. Speaking of hardware choices, advanced users might consider NAS, tower servers, or even rack servers. But for beginners who simply want to get started with reliable and affordable hardware, a mini PC would definitely be a good choice. Introducing the Gecom Mini Air12 Mini PC. This entry-level mini PC, equipped with an Intel N100 CPU, is designed for light office tasks. The Mini Air12 operates quietly, consumes low power, boasts excellent heat dissipation, and comes with a compact form factor. All these advantages make it an excellent hardware choice for beginners looking to build their first home server. I have already set up a very basic one using our Gecom Mini Air12. Now let me give you a quick overview of this interesting mini home server and show you the types of systems and applications we can run on it. First, we installed Proxmox 8.1.3 version as the underlying system of this home server. On top of Proxmox, we installed various systems and applications to build an all-in-one home server. This allows us to flexibly install and uninstall any systems we want. As an open-source system, Proxmox offers rich functionality, good scalability, and is very suitable for personal users. We connected an external network card to the Mini Air12 via USB port, and then set up a software routing system with OpenWRT installed on Proxmox and dual network ports. Through this software routing system, we manage the network connections of external devices and various subsystems on Proxmox, and implement functions such as ad blocking. Next, we installed TrueNAS, a very powerful NAS management system. On the dashboard, you can see all the necessary information of this NAS system, such as CPU and memory status, as well as storage pools and network conditions at a glance. SMB file transfer service is enabled on TrueNAS, making it very convenient to access and read-write the home server's storage space through other devices on the local network. TrueNAS also has a very rich application library. I installed PhotoPrism, a picture management application that I really like. You can synchronize photos from your phone to the home server via PhotoSync, and then manage a large number of picture files through the web interface of PhotoPrism. The left sidebar provides many ways to manage picture categories, among which the way of managing pictures through facial recognition interests me. With simple settings, you can create exclusive photo albums for yourself or your families. Next, I have installed Jellyfin to turn this mini PC into my personal media server. Jellyfin is an ideal app for media streaming and organizing my legally obtained movie or TV episode collection. With the proper setup, you can turn a messy movie folder into a playlist with beautiful posters and activate its hardware decoding feature to make your media streaming experience excellent. I also installed an Ubuntu system on the Mini Air12. For users who occasionally need to use a Linux system but don't use it as their main operating system, installing a Linux system on a virtual machine is a solution. Running the latest version, 23.04 of Ubuntu, on the Mini Air12 with the Intel N100 chip is completely problem-free and very smooth and stable. Additionally, I tried installing Synology DSM system. DSM and TrueNAS provide similar NAS management system functions, but they have significant differences in interface and interaction logic. Compared with TrueNAS, DSM is more suitable for users who pursue a simple interface and simple operation. Moreover, it provides many supporting mobile applications, making functions such as picture management and data synchronization very convenient. Finally, I installed Home Assistant, a smart home control system on the Mini Air12. As the control center of a smart home, Home Assistant can bridge smart home devices of different brands and protocols. It can also control all home smart devices through HomeKit and set more refined automation management to turn your house into a truly smart home. This is a quick overview of the home server that I built with the Gecom Mini Air12 Mini PC. As I mentioned at the beginning, this is just a basic solution. I believe you can find a more suitable way to build a home server of your own. Of course, we also need to pay attention to data and network security. The interesting part of building a home server is not only the result, but also the exploration process of building it. Alright, I hope you can enjoy the process of finding the solution for problems and keep geeking out. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news about our Gecom products, and we will see you next time.